Did you know that more than half of Americans are using buy now, pay later? And many don't realize this is a trap. Today, we will reveal what this system hides, how it can seem like a help, even to swallow your financial freedom. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to identify this danger and what practical strategies to use to protect your pocket. Stay with me. Flashing screen phrases. BNPL. 83% unaware of the risks. 52% of Americans already use BNPL. Transaction volume. $175 billion by May 2025. Increasing use for everyday shopping. Electronics. Even market this shows that the BNPL is not just for big spending. It has become part of everyday life. But the problem is that every purchase seems small to turn into a snowball. Nicole Hartman owed $30,000 with BNPL alone, plus $88,000 in cards. The psychological appeal of low value per parcel hides the total amount. Can damage credit score, hinder future loans. High volume of recurring transactions, grocery, services, remittances, can create constant debt pattern. Simple alert. There are several small parcels that add up to more than the purchase. You are financing day-to-day products. X-Market, fast food began to use every time he bought it became a habit. Use a spreadsheet to compare price on demand versus total installment. Keep reminders on mobile of scheduled payments. Prioritize an emergency fund before using any installment credit. Use BNPL only on large or emergency purchases. Pay in cash whenever possible. Automate payment alerts to not delay. Consider an interest-free card or credit line plan for real emergencies. Create a financial cycle. Analyze. Spend with conscience. Apply the payments rule if you have resources to pay 3 installments without disrupting your goals. Ever used BNPL and regretted it, or found it useful? Share your story below. This can save someone else. If this video brought you clarity, leave the like now. BNPL is trend, but full of traps. Used in a conscious way. Automate controls and protect your future. Activate the bell. Devastating content every week. And take advantage of the links in the description with tools I use to control expenses and avoid trapped debts. They are really transformative. It's worth checking out.